My name is Ray Charlie Estose, and my challenging experience this year is we have a family problem. Despite all the problems we have, I always trust God and always praise to Him that I hope that all these problems will be okay someday, and I hope we were able to succeed and help each other to all the problems that we have will be paid off. And also my strength in life is my family. They help me to become a better person and also help me to encourage myself to push harder to become a successful someday. And also it encouraged me to be a better person. That's all. Thank you.
My name is James Christian Leroy. My challenges this year is that the accident and academics that I have been through. During that time, I felt hopeless, but with pray and just trust God, I believe that the problems is just temporary. It will go away. And my strength this year is family and friends for supporting and helping me get through this year. That's all.
My name is Joseph Matos. My challenging is experience. One is Bagyo. May kayo Bagyo guys. Ano kayo ba? Ako to guys naratol gamay kuno sa linog guys. Samot. Mga guys.
My challenging this year is same to raise those same financial problem and family problem. Karang sige kan iragampo sa Ginoo nga human ang problema kay wala ba tong salikan ko. Na solve ra namo rong tuiga kay sa dako ko salamat kay mga kuya nakatrabaho na po mo tong nakabayad ko tuition. Na-solve rin sa mga problema kay mahal ba, sige ito kampo sa Ginoo aron matabangan kita niya mahal to.
Kare, that's all. Thank you. Tapos na rin. Dikit.
Bye, bos ni. Lima sudo.
1, 2, 3. That's all. Thank you.
Ganda nila.